At some point or another, you will find yourself needing a copy of your Social Security card, whether for reference or when employment opportunities arise. Here are some steps you can follow to get one. Firstly, you need to make sure you have all the required documents on hand. These include proof of identity in the form of your birth certificate or passport, proof of U.S. citizenship or lawful immigration status, whether by green card or work permit, and possibly documentation to verify your age and identity. Next, fill out your application through an SS5 form, which you can find online on the Social Security Administration website or at your local SSA office. The form may appear overwhelming at first glance, but it's simple. Provide your current name, Social Security number if you have one, birth information, parents' names and Social Security numbers, and optionally your ethnicity and race. You also need to indicate whether you already have a Social Security number, and if so, provide the details of your prior Social Security number. Finally, you'll need to sign the form. Just make sure to fill out the form accurately and completely to avoid processing delays. Lastly, submit the SS5 form with required documents to the Social Security Administration. You can do so by mailing it to them directly, making sure to use a secure and trackable delivery method, or by dropping it off at your local SSA office. Processing typically takes about 2 to 4 weeks as the SSA reviews your documents and verifies the information you provided. Once this is complete, the SSA will mail your Social Security card to you at the address you provided on your application.